Let's turn these frizzy and dull hair into smooth, shiny, manageable hair with Make Me Bold's Frizz Fix. This little product smooths your hair, locks out humidity, and keeps it sleek. Start by sectioning your hair. Take a smaller section, spray Frizz Fix all over the strands. Now comb it through to make sure every strand gets coated. Then take your straightener and glide it down the section, slowly and smoothly. Just repeat this for all sections. Spray, comb, and straighten. This product is heat activated, which means your straightener or blow dryer helps form that protective coating on your hair. It seals in smoothness and blocks out humidity, keeping your hair frizz-free all week long. And the best part, it works up to 3 washes, so no need to reapply every day. And there you have it, smooth, frizz-free hair in just minutes. If you want salon sleek hair at home, grab your Frizz Fix today. Make Me Bold's Frizz Fix Mist. Be bold, be the change.